Today, I'm talking about viral video hooks. If you want your videos to perform better and not crush rotation or make people swipe away, then you have to make better and eye-catching hooks for your videos. Whether you're a content creator, a YouTuber, a TikToker, or even a podcaster, you will find Picsart Flow to be the creative platform to ideate and generate social-friendly and attention-grabbing video hooks. I'll show you every step in a second. So my name is Haik and let's jump right in.
Come on.
For today's tutorial, I have Marcel as an example. He is a food content creator. So I want to do my experiments on his videos and see which hooks will perform the best. Let's open up Picsart's homepage. Go to Flow, create a new workflow and choose Image. I have a ready video of Marcel, but for now I just want to alter some of the dialogue in it. So I'll first upload the video in Flow. And let's watch what we have here to have an idea of what we want to change.
Apparently everyone in New York already knows about this place. This is Virgil's Bagels and I had to try their cucumber cream cheese bagel. Look at this thing. Oh wow, yeah, this might be my new spot.
Okay, this sounds good, but let's try a few variants on his opening dialogue to see how it can affect its virality. I want to create 4 variants of this, so I'll create 4 new video nodes next to the original one. I'm connecting this into the first video node. Now let's type in prompt instructions to alter the dialogue. I'm typing this. Since we are just going to replace only the dialogue, the best model to use is LTX2 retake. Next, let's specify that we are only replacing audio. Okay, so I'm ready. Run. Now Flow will do its magic, and in a few moments we will have our first variant. Great, it's done generating. Let's take a look together.
Find out which new bagel shop in NYC has people lining up down the block.
Did you see how simple that was? Now let's create 3 more variants. One that sparks controversy, one that highlights the benefits of Virgil's Bagels, and one that sparks urgency. Great, all of them are ready.
Is it crazy to say that this Montreal bagel chain makes the best bagels in New York?
It's pretty good. Let's move on.
Meet Virgil's the viral new bagel shop revolutionizing the art of the bagel.
Now let's check out the last one.
You need to try Virgil's Bagels in New York before they blow up.
These dialogues turned out fantastic. And now we have 4 different variants that we can test run and see which one will perform the best. Now let's start the second example, which is adjusting the original video entirely with a new action-packed formula. I have some B-roll shots of the creator, so I'll go ahead and upload all of them here. As you can see, we have a shot of the exterior bagel shop, Marcel by himself and Marcel in the full shot. Let's start by making some visual adjustment to these shots before we generate a video from it. So in new connected image node, I want to change his shirt into something that's more summery and the opposite color palette of his blue jacket. I'll open up the prompt box and type something like this. Change the outfit to a more summery look with a short sleeve orange knitted shirt. I'm choosing 4K to max out the visual quality and sticking to Nano Banana Pro. Marcel is looking great. Let's do the same for the food shot and only replace the shirt. I'm connecting the new image with the new shirt and the eating image into this new node and simply write replace outfit. Now we have Marcel eating his food in his new outfit. Finally, let's change the angle of the exterior shot. In a new image node, I'll write this prompt. With these little adjustments, we can have a completely different vibe from the first example. Now, I have a very funny idea for a hook. I want to use a motion shot of Marcel skateboarding down the street, tripping in front of Virgil's Bagels, and then getting up and immediately ordering a bagel. To bring this idea to life, let's generate an image of Marcel skateboarding. I created a new image node. Let's use the image nodes that we just made as visual reference. Then I'll write a simple prompt and hit run. Oh, this looks cool. I think I'm gonna generate one for myself and flex on my friends like I can skateboard. We now have all of the components to build a hook video of him skateboarding and falling. To create the script of the video, I'll create a new text node and choose ChatGPT 5.2. And this is my prompt that I'm using. Amazing, in a few seconds I have a play-by-play and a script for the hook video. Right now that everything is in place, I'm creating a new video node. I'm choosing Kling 3.0 Omni, the aspect ratio 9:16, which is perfect for short form content, extend the duration to 15 seconds, and enable the audio. Let's then connect the script, the food shot, the skateboarding shot, the shot of Marcel by himself, and lastly, the East Village Street. Now with all these components connected to the video node, we don't need to type in any prompt since the text node is technically a prompt. So let's run it and wait for the magic. The video is ready. Let's have a watch.
Everyone told me I had to come all the way out here for this. Oof. You know what's actually worth the trip to the East Village? Virgil's Bagels. Okay, that's really good.
The falling was funny. I hope he is doing okay. Now in this last example, let's get a little silly with the angles and his outfit. So I'll simply copy the 3 B-roll shots from earlier and paste them here. I want him to wear something silly, so I'm creating a new connected image node and type this prompt. Look at him wearing that superhero costume. Super silly, right? I want the video to start with a really close-up macro shot of Marcel eating the bagel, like uncomfortably close. So with another image node connected to the image of Marcel eating, I'm going to prompt in this extremely close macro shot with fisheye lens distortion of Marcel taking a bite of cream cheese and cucumber bagel. Connect the superhero image to this new image node and hit run. It's awkward and kind of funny at the same time, and it mirrors a lot of the trends on social. I have an interior shot of the shop. I'll upload it here. Then above, let's create a new text node, choose our model and prompt something like this. And now we got a visual direction and a script play-by-play. In the same manner as the first example, let's create a new video node. Change the model to Kling again, connect the new images and the text node, adjust the output settings, and once everything is done, hit run. It's ready, let's check it out.
Whoa. Okay, that crunch is insane. Just found Virgil's Bagels in New York, and this cream cheese and cucumber combo is so good. Definitely coming back for this one.
I love it. This is totally silly and funny at the same time. I'm sure it will grab attention for the awkward angle and his amazing costume. That's it for today's tutorial. Now it's your turn to do some experiments on your videos and see which performs the best using Picsart Flow. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, give it a thumbs up and subscribe. I'm Hike and I'll see you in the next one.